Good morning to all of you. Standard 9. Now, in this 8th lesson, Framing of the Constitution, I am going to explain the exercise question answer, and in that second part, explain the following statement. That part I am going to explain here, dictating, you just write. Wait 1 minute. Here the first question is, no, it is the 9th, where it is chapter gone, 10th, 9th. Here, see the first question. Explain. Preamble is an Indian constitution. All the answer you have to write in point wise. So write first point. Preamble is the soul of the Indian constitution. It is the key to understand. Second point, it is the key to understand the Indian constitution. Third point, is the fundamental objectives of the constitution. Fourth point, aims, ideas and principles of the preamble give a clear insight of the rule of welfare. Then next point you write, fifth point, the ideals of justice, equality, liberty, fraternity, dignity of individual and unity and integrity of the nation are expressed in the preamble. 6.4 is a concluding line. Therefore, it is said that the preamble is the extract of the Indian Constitution. The first explanation over. Now second question. Preamble is the key to understanding of the amendments of the Constitution. First point, right? Preamble means introduction of our Constitution. It is the core and important part of the Constitution. It highlights the comment of the Constitution. These are in one point. Now fourth point, whenever amendments are made to the Constitution, they can be referred at the preamble. Moreover, based on the amendments made in the Constitution, at times even the preamble is amended. Fifth point, for example, in 1976, the words socialist, secular, unity and integrity of the nation were added to the preamble. Sixth point, thus preamble is the key to understand of the amendments of the Constitution. So these are the points. All the lines you write point wise. Now the third question, preamble serves as compass. First point, right, of this, preamble means introduction. Second point, there is an introduction or say preamble at the beginning of our Constitution. Third point, preamble is the core and important part of Constitution. Fourth point, the words written in the preamble highlights the soul of the Constitution. Fifth point, the preamble consists of clear ideas about aims and ideals of the Constitution. Therefore, 6 point, right? Therefore, it gives a clean insight of the rule of welfare. 9th point, hence the preamble serve as compass. Here this answer is over. Now the fourth one. Indian Constitution is the inclusion of federal unitary. First point, the Constitution of India has component of both federal and unitary constitution. Second point, the unitary nature of the Indian Constitution can be stated through various facts. The state government are ruled by the central government when it comes to the derivation of power. Derivation, derivation. Now the third point, the states do not have separate constitution of their own. Fourth point, the state governor are appointed by the president. Fifth point, the union law prevails in case of conflicts. Okay, don't write this point, directly write the concluding line. Fifth point, the Indian Constitution also has federal characteristics. The dual system of the government and the division of powers is a federal. So here ending. Total 5 points are here. Okay, I am ending here. Rest of the 4 question I will send in next video. Till bye.